day everyone, I'm Jean Almario and I'm from BHHM3E, and my expectation for the subject strategic management in the tourism and hospitality industry are to gain a deeper understanding of how businesses in the field plan, complete and grow successfully. I hope to learn the different strategies used by hotels, restaurants, and tourism organizations to attract customer, manage resources, and stay competitive in a fast-changing industry. I also expect that the subject will help me develop critical thinking, decision-making, and problem-solving skills that are important for future managers in the tourism and hospitality sector. Through this course, I hope to understand real-world challenges and how strategic planning can help businesses become more efficient, innovative, and sustainable. Overall, I expect this subject to prepare me for future leadership roles by giving me practical knowledge and strategic insights about the industry.